If you know the Cull controlling technique, you will also know that this is one of the most deceptive card controlling techniques, where you can control a playing card from the center of the deck towards the bottom without your spectator even noticing anything about it. And the same goes with the reverse Cull control. Now in this Cull controlling technique, the reverse thing happens. That means the card goes from the center towards the top without your spectator noticing anything about it, because it's very deceptive, but it's also very tricky at the same time. So that's why I'm making this tutorial. So hey everybody, I'm Sholazari, and let's start our today's video. Now in a Cull control, you know that after a card is being selected, it actually travels to the bottom of the deck after the deck is squared up, just like that. Now in a reverse Cull control, you will see after the card is selected and after you square up everything, the card actually lands onto the top of the deck, just like that. So that's what the card controlling looks like. Let's see how you can do this card controlling technique. Okay guys, this is how this reverse culling is done. Now before learning the reverse culling, if you want to know the actual culling move, the Cull control technique, where you can control the card from the center to the bottom, then I have a tutorial for it, and the link to the tutorial will be given in the description box as well as in the cards. So make sure you check that out if you need to. And then coming back to reverse culling, all you have to do is you have to do the same exact thing as of culling, but in a very messy way. Now the worst part of this trick, the trickiest part of the trick is every time you do a move, you have to do a move carefully, but in this one you have to do it very carelessly and in a very messy manner, so that you can actually control the playing card in front of your spectator. Even if you flash, the spectator wouldn't suspect you because they would think that is very normal. Let me tell you how you're going to do that. So at first, all you're going to do is you're going to have this deck of cards, and then all you're going to do is you're going to spread this deck right just like that, okay? And then your spectator is going to touch one of the playing cards, and as he or she touches one of the playing cards, all you're going to do is you're going to take that playing card which he or she touched with the rest of the cards on the top, and then turn that towards the spectator so that they can see their card, their selection. Now you can also turn it just like that, but this is not the preferred way that I would say, because you need to cull this playing card. So in order to cull this playing card, you have to keep that card in this position, okay? Now from this position, when you turn these cards face down, all you're doing is you're using these two fingers in order to pull this card towards this hand which is holding the top pack. Now this happens while you're turning your hand down just like that. So at this point you can see that the card is right now separated from the rest of the cards. Now at this point you have to make it in a very messy manner, as I was telling you, because this culling technique depends on the cover that is formed with the other cards. But since you are controlling this to the top of the playing card, the top of the deck, you're only getting one playing card to cover this card, okay? And for that reason, this card is actually coming to the second position from the top, and as it is coming to the second position from the top, only one card is there for covering it up from the spectator's eyes. And as one card is there, you have to make it very messy so that it looks like that you're just arranging the deck of cards and not controlling anything. So all you're doing is, after the spectator touches one playing card right over here, you're turning it over. Then as you turn the other cards face down again, you're culling that card and you're bringing that card towards this end right over here. I'm just exposing this card right over here, and then all you're doing is you're just making a mess just like that, and then you're bringing this top card along with that card that you have culled. You're bringing both of them out snappily, in a snappy manner, not snappily. What am I saying, man? So all you're doing is, after the card you have culled, you're just bringing that card out, and in a snappy manner you're just squaring it up with the top card and again putting it back just like that. So it looks like that you took the top card and you're just putting it back. They won't see the second card that has come along with the top card, which is the card that they have selected and you have culled to the top and landed it onto the second position. Now from here you can do a double lift to show that their card has come to the top, or you can just do any other card trick involving this card controlling technique. So I hope the tutorial was not very long and was very short but explainable. So So I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @ShoelAzari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, Race Pretty Savage channel. I post entertaining videos and gameplays over there, and the link to that channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!